Foreign students enrollment for college institution. Select foreign students enrollment. Select foreign students enrollment for regular course. Read the notes carefully. If foreign students are enrolled in your institution, select yes. Enter the approved intake capacity of international students. Click save. If foreign students are enrolled in program through department, select program through department. Select the country, the department, discipline, method of admission. Upon selecting the discipline, level, program, broad decimal group category and broad decimal group name will be pre-filled. Click add. Record has been saved successfully. Now let's add another country. Click add. Record has been added successfully. You can also edit this record by clicking this button. Record has been updated successfully. We can now lock this page. Page has been locked. Now for foreign student enrollment in other programs, select the country, the discipline, method of admission, click add. Record has been added successfully. We can now lock this page. The page has been locked. Now let's come to standalone institution. If foreign students are enrolled in their institution, select yes. Enter the approved intake capacity. Click save. For the foreign students enrollment for regular course is same as college. Now let's come to for distance courses. If any foreign students are enrolled in program through department, select program through department. Select the country. Method of admission. In case of others, we have to specify. Click add. Record has been added successfully. After adding enrollment for all the courses, you can lock this page. Now let's come to other program in distance mode. Click add. Record has been added successfully. We can now lock this page. Page has been locked. Now let's come to university. Select yes. If no foreign students are enrolled in your institution, you can just select no and save. Select yes. Enter the approved intake capacity. Click save. As university also have program through faculty or school directly, select program through faculty, select the country, Add, record added successfully. Select another country. Click add, record added successfully. We can now log this page. Foreign students enrollment in program through department and other programs is same as standalone in college. Now let's come to distance course. Select program through faculty. Select the country. Select the faculty. Method of admission. Click add. After adding all the details, we can log this page. Page has been logged successfully. Foreign students enrollment for distance courses in program through department and other program is same as standalone.